Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO F23. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. And in order to set it up, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, click on OK. Lastly, select Close section at the top. And finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Also on OPPO, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally use all of those categories available at the top and select all of your files that you wish to transfer from them. If you see Allow option, click on it and confirm your choice in the pop-up, or click on the switcher next to Allow access. Then go back and select Send at the bottom next to Selected in order to continue. I will go with only a couple of files though, only for example, like those two photos, and click on Send then. In this Here's Some Tip pop-up, tap on Got It and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide next to Input key on OPPO. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key, just tap on Input key section instead. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then click on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!